Welcome to this straightforward tutorial. Let's explore two simple methods to count matches in Excel, an easy SUMPRODUCT formula and a user-friendly VBA code. Follow along for a clear understanding and accurate match counting between two ranges. Let's start. Assuming that you have two range of cells, B1, B6 and C1, C6, that contain some of the same values, and you want to get a formula to compare these two ranges to see how many of cells in range 2 appear in the range 1. You also do not care about the order of that items in two ranges, and you just want to know how many values in range 2 that appear in range 1. Let's see the first method, leveraging the power of a formula based on the SUMPRODUCT function for accurate matching counts. If you're a fan of formulas, this method is for you. Use the formula equals SUMPRODUCT, count if B1, B6, C1, C6, where B1, B6 represents one range and C1, C6 is the other. This formula dynamically counts the total matches between the two ranges with precision. You can use the COUNTIF function to count cells in a range that match your given condition. For example, you can use the COUNTIF function to count a range like B2, B6 and also give a simple criteria like equals 45. And the function would return the count of cells in range B2, B6 that are equals to numeric value 45. Because two ranges are as an argument in the COUNTIF function, and each of range that contains 6 cell values, COUNTIF function will return an array result that contains 6 items. And you can use the SUMPRODUCT function to sum up the items in that array list. If there are two or more array lists, and the SUMPRODUCT will multiply the arrays together, and sum up the results. Now, let's explore the second method using a VBA code for automated match counting. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Insert a new module. Copy and paste the provided code into the module. This VBA code creates a custom function, COUNTMatches, which you can use to count total matches in two ranges. Close the editor. Use the custom function equals COUNTMatches, B1, B6, C1, C6, adjusting the ranges. Press enter to get the total count of matches between the two ranges. These methods offer flexibility, catering to both formula enthusiasts and those seeking an automated VBA solution for counting matches in Excel. Thanks for watching. These straightforward methods, utilizing the SUMPRODUCT function in VBA, offer a hassle-free way to count matches in Excel. Subscribe for more practical tips, and feel free to explore other tutorials in our library.